BWXT's nuclear momentum, temporary rally or structural breakout, BWXT.NYS report. Hello, this is Top Trader Jinlog. You can view the report conveniently with charts on the blog. For ongoing market analysis, feel free to subscribe or leave a comment. V.P.A.R chart explanation. This is BWX Technologies, BWXT, as requested for analysis. The circled areas in the past and present are potential short-term trend, yellow consolidation and upward trend points. These points have a higher probability and potential return when they are near the swing line, white, or medium-term line, orange. Each chart has its own wave tension and trend. Currently, it has re-entered the medium-term line after breaking below it and is in a short-term trend. If it holds support at 116, we can see the possibility of an upward sloping box pattern within the medium-term monthly wave trend again. There is currently a gap with the short-term line. Consider trading for further upside during a correction close to the short-term line above 130, or if it breaks below the short-term line, consider it a potential buying point on a dip at 116. Investment opinion. BWXT is benefiting from a structural shift in U.S. energy policy and steady financials, positioning itself for continued upside momentum. 2-week expected return, plus 6.7% right pointing arrow, $136.60, probability 68%, 2-month expected return, plus 4.8% right pointing arrow, $147, probability 62%, 2-year long-term target, plus 41.4% right pointing arrow, $181, probability 58%. 1. Summary. BWXT is rallying on expectations tied to U.S. nuclear infrastructure initiatives. The current overbought condition could bring a short-term cooldown. Medium-term rhythm remains intact and structure is bullish. 2-bar graph. V.P.A.R interpretation, visual phase alignment rhythm, blue circle monthly, Bollinger top breakout, followed by cooling period, yellow circle weekly, post 3-wave rally, in consolidation, breakout retest possible, orange circle daily. Trading between $120 to $128, consolidation zone, red circle 120 minutes. Still aligned in short-term uptrend, overextension likely to ease, conclusion, overbought short-term, but rhythm remains bullish, right pointing arrow, re-entry possible on dip, $125 key zone to watch. 3. Upward trend. RHYTHMIX rhythm analysis, hourglass monthly, strong top expansion in Bollinger Bands, RSI, in overbought region. $130 plus may trigger soft pullback, trend line support in $113 to $117 zone. Downward trend, weekly momentum high. MACD topping, positive alignment of trend lines, watch for pullback if $125 is broken. Resistance at $138.20, stopwatch, daily center line holding at $124.05 to $126.05, volume thinning in consolidation, still respecting structure, re-acceleration possible on breakout, 1 o'clock 120-minute, short-term trend intact, with slight MACD reset, narrowing consolidation may lead to breakout, price above $127, could trigger short-term rally extension. 4. Moneybag financial overview, Q1 2025 revenue, $682.3 million, plus 13% YoY, net income, $75.5 million, adjusted EBITDA, $129.8 million, EPS, 91 cents, beat expectations. 2025 guidance, EPS range of $3.40 to $3.55 maintained. 5. Warning news and risk summary. U.S. executive order boost nuclear infrastructure momentum, acquisition of Connectrix Inc. to enhance nuclear services, and radiopharmaceutical reach. Nuclear regulatory risks remain. High price perception may prompt short-term profit taking. 6. Brain strategy scenario. Bullseye entry zone, $124 to $127, right pointing arrow, strong structural support plus rhythm consolidation zone, probability 69%. Bullseye targets, target 1, $136.60, probability 68%, target 2, $147, probability 62%, long-term, $181, probability 58%, supported by structural trend plus policy flows. Prohibited stop loss or response drop below $121 may signal structural weakness, right pointing arrow if accompanied by falling volume, initiate defensive exit, probability 76%. 7. Rainbow outlook, emotional rhythm commentary, policy provides the direction. Rhythm turns that direction into conviction. BWXT may be taking a short breath, but it's aligned with a much larger trend, nuclear renaissance. 8. Puzzle piece deep dive report, member-only pushpin institutional flow, BlackRock, State Street showing net buys $100 million plus net institutional inflow in past 4 weeks. Pushpin AI forecasting, Danilfin AI score, 6.5, 10. Buy bias, 3-month outperformance probability, 41.2%. Pushpin industry trends, U.S. nuclear projects expanding in energy plus defense sectors, growing importance of space nuclear propulsion and microreactors. Pushpin analyst target price, average price target, $145 to $152, new high-end analyst target raised to $160.